No matter how naturally tidy you are, it is very easy to pile up clutter in your wardrobe, in your room, in your surroundings. Over time, this clutter piles up and you don't even know what to do about it. And you just are tensed and stressed. So let's take control of our surroundings before things get out of control, like here with me. So I'll be decluttering one of the most common items that we have in our house to make this process easy for you. You can donate or sell clothes that no longer fit you and are lying in your wardrobe for years now. I usually keep all the sales receipts in my handbag in case I need to return some or exchange any item. To the point that it comes a time that there is hardly any space in my handbag to keep anything else. It's always a good idea to toss and turn your handbag, make sure you don't have any unnecessary item inside, and keep cleaning it. Trends change and so does your taste. Hoarding necklaces and earrings may seem a good idea at first, but it only results in a tangled mess later on, realizing that you no longer wear it. Who doesn't love collecting makeup? But if you are a hoarder and you keep on buying new makeup without using it, then chances are that you might be ending up with expired products, and that would do you more harm than good. It's always a good idea to keep reviewing your makeup before you go on a shopping spree, and make sure that you toss the expired products or use the ones that are almost finishing. I'm quickly going to use this lip balm before throwing it away. Our washroom has a lot of empty bottles that are either completely empty or have some product left in it. I try to use these bottles before I buy new ones or open the new containers. This way, it helps me to organize better. It's always nice to receive something in a nice fancy paper bag. You fold it and tell yourself that they will come in handy one day. Before they start falling from your shelf or your wardrobe, make sure that you organize and declutter them. Let's admit we all have kept shoes in our closet that no longer serve their purpose. They're either old, small, hurt our feet, or they're no longer in the trend. So, this is the right time to take them out, sell them or donate them. It may have been a while since you have taken a look at your medicine cabinet. Now is the time to toss and turn these expired medicines. To have a look at other decluttering videos, please click on this link. Bye.